Hi guys, say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Here's my pony. Show them your pony. She got this purple pony. And what is this? Oh, anong hanapin mo? Makukuha siyang upuan.
Mommy.
Wait lang.
Mommy. I like how you like
Okay, sit down. Hi guys. Hi guys.
You sit down.
Okay. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
I'm gonna show you
I'm gonna show you Ponya.
your pony. Okay, show them your pony. What's that?
Pony.
This is my
This is my
purple pony.
pony.
And this is my
Little Ponya.
blue pony. And what you get this? This one, what is this?
Brown.
This is a
Brown.
wow, look at that. That is a monkey. Oink.
Hot.
Show them your basket.
Mommy. Mommy.
Wait lang, tulad mo ako eh. Hi. Hi. Hi guys. Welcome to Ying Ying's channel. And today we're gonna show you Ying Ying's pony. Yay! I'll show them your pony.
Oh no, Mommy! Mommy!
Yeah?
Mommy, are you okay?